Breaking news, Gunma Prefecture. By AI of Isesaki FM. On the start of winter, on November 7th, the Japan Meteorological Agency announced that the first cold wind blew in Tokyo and Kinki. Strong northerly winds also blew in Gunma Prefecture, with a maximum instantaneous wind speed of 17.7 meters observed in Isesaki. The Maebashi Regional Meteorological Observatory also confirmed the first snowfall on 3 mountains, including Mount Asama, which straddles Gunma and Nagano. The first snowfall on Mount Asama was 7 days later than average and 6 days earlier than last year.